Today, Side Rides goes to Santa Anita Canyon. Stick with me and you'll be glad you did, as we park at the Adams Packing Station at Chantry Flat and ride both up the mountain on the San Olin Trail, as well as down canyon into the Santa Anita Wash. The trailhead for the San Olin Trail starts right out of the upper parking lot at Chantry Flat. Before long, you will see another trailhead for the Upper Winter Creek Trail, which is an easy 3-mile hike to Hoagie's Trail Camp on a path that looks like this. It is a steep and narrow trail for hiking, not so much for bikes. The road goes up to a nice viewpoint at a heliport, and many road bike riders conclude their journeys there. Behind the building on the right is a hidden, shady viewing bench you may enjoy. Go straight where the pavement ends to continue on the San Olin Trail. Much of the trail looks like this, with occasional rock slides and eroded patches along the way. You'll also find some incredible viewpoints for water breaks. Most of the trail has moderate elevation changes, making for a very comfortable ride. When you reach trail's end, you are in for some awesome 360-degree views of the mountains above and the San Gabriel Valley below. Clear days will give you Catalina Island. Be sure to sit on the mushroom to enjoy a snack break while you feast on the view. The trek back to Chantry Flat is all downhill, and lunch at the cafe will be a treat. The staff at the Pack Station Cafe are very friendly and put out some good food and drink with great service.
So what's the most popular food?
Cheeseburger.
I'll take one.
All right, you got it.
After lunch, we leave the lower parking lot and go around the gate and start down a very popular steep trail into the canyon's bottom. Soon you will pass by one of the 17 historic cabins destroyed in the Bobcat Fire of 2020. The fire also burned 115,000 acres of our forest lands. As we cross the stream, we are reminded that there are only 63 cabins, mostly over 100 years old, that remain in this beautiful area. You will find this restroom at the bottom of the canyon. You can enjoy a very nice trail upstream for a while that you'll be sharing with hikers until your pathway narrows and it becomes an obvious hiker's path, and it's time for you to head back. There are lots of places for you to stop, to sit, and enjoy the peaceful flow of this year-round creek. Heading back now, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to tap those like and subscribe buttons. Side Rides hopes to see you there.